Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell some prints on demand on eBay in 2024. So today, we're going to dive into the world of prints on demand and showing you how to sell your custom products on eBay. Print on demand is a fantastic business model with minimal upfront costs and no inventory management. So if you care about that, this video is for you. So let's walk through the steps on how to get your print on demand business up and running on eBay, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you can use whatever you want, and you'll have to sign up for an eBay seller account. So go to this URL section, basically just type eBay seller and hit the enter button. Once you do so, go to this first link, as you can see, which is eBay Seller Center. Make sure it's not a sponsor or ad. Once you click on it, as you can see in here, so here you have the Seller Center or Seller Center. As you can see, what's new, you'll be able to read informations about it. If you don't know nothing, you'll be able even to see how to get started, example, and other information. So, as example, why sell on eBay and how to sell on eBay. As example, you can click in here and learn how. So, as example, you'll have to go through three steps to sell, list, ship, and earn cash. As you can see, very simple. So example, you can click on list and see how. So there's a 2 minutes video on how to do it, how to ship as example, and even how to earn cash out. You have a lot of things to go through, especially if you're looking to get some information if you know nothing about it. So for me, I'll just go here and click on selling, click on start selling on eBay, and as you can see, basically I'll just go on easy listen and click on start selling. So once I click on start selling as example, it's time to go through this 3 steps: list your item, get seller protection, and choose when you get paid. So all I need to do, I'll just go here and click on list an item. Once I do so, as example, tell us what you're selling. So type keywords like brand, models, or other details. Example, choose from possible matches to help jumpstart your listing, preview and make changes, and then list your items. So example, let's say I'm trying to go with t-shirts for men. So yeah, why not? And click on search button. So once we do so, as example, select the condition of your item. Do you want new with tags, new without tags, new with defects, or pre-owned? So for me, I'll just choose new with tags. Why not? And as you can see here, you have to create an account as example. So you can, if you have an account, just go and log in into it. If you don't, click on create an account on here as an example. So you can choose Google, Facebook, or Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. If you're using it, or if you're using an eBay account, example for print and on demand, make sure to choose business account. And as you can see, for business accounts, you cannot go and create it with those options. So you'll have to fill up your information. Then as you can see, where's your business registered, you can simply enter that out. So for me, I'll just go here and click on continue with Google. As example, I'll choose my account right here. By continuing Google, will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with eBay. And you can see the eBay privacy and policy in terms of service whenever you want. You can manage here, of course, the Google account, the signing of it, and etc. So I'll just go here and click on continue. As you can see, please verify yourself to continue. So to keep eBay safe and etc., I'll just go and check that I'm a human. Please click on animals that can live in water. So this, and this. Of course, those are living creatures if you didn't know. And yeah, so I should be logged in right now. It seems like it didn't work. Of course, lie. I just remember I don't even have, I guess, eBay account. So I'll just go here and create an eBay account. I guess I'll go simplify your sign in. Depending on your device, you can do that. I'll just go and click on skip for now. And as you can see, your account has been suspended. Why? According to our records, your account has violated our site's policy. We signed a note to that informing you this decision. You have enrolled in managed payments. Visit the payment seller hub, of course, to view outstanding balance and make a one-time payment. If you are not enrolled in management payments, you can view that. So of course, I'll just click on continue as an example. So it seems like my account is suspended for some reason. Of course, I can go to my email provider and see whatever email they sent me and why they do that, as example. So I can look for something from eBay as example. So yeah, here is it. It seems like a bit old. Of course, you can get in touch with them and see why your account get suspended if you get like the same problem and remove the suspension. So for you as an example, you can start like filling up informations on whatever you choose as example here. So I'll just let all of that as it is. Color as example, just choose here black. Theme as example, just choose nature as example. Fits regular character, goes length long as example. You can add photos as example. So this especially if you're trying to sell something from your like inventory, but that's not what we want. So example, I'll just go here and click on save for later as an example. So it seems like it didn't even log me into an account because my account is suspended. But for you, of course, all you need to do, you can even go as example to business selling here and learn more about it, etc. But of course, once we created our account, for example, it's time to choose a print on demand service. There are a lot of options. There's popular options like Printful, Printify, and Teespring as example. So let me just go and open all of them. So I'll just go and open Printful and Printify, and even like spring.com as an example here. So you can go and choose all the options that you want depending on whatever you want. For me, I have an account on Printful and Printify, so I'll just go and start with those options. So as an example, to connect an account on Printful or Printify, so let's start by Printify. For me, I have an Etsy and Squarespace account store already connected. If I want to connect another store, so I'll basically be able to click on add a new store. Here I'll look for eBay as an example. Here is it. So, or you can scroll down and find this right here. So for me, here is it. I'll just go and click on that. So step one, create your store. To get started, you'll need the Printify store to connect with eBay, and you can create and name a new store or use an existing store if you already have one. Your store name will be shown and the ship from fields, ship and labels, and can be changed anytime, of course, in your store settings. So for me, I'll just name it Omix as an example in here. And I want to use an external Printify store. If you want to, make sure to use it. For me, I'll just go and create a store, then click on connect. Once you click on connect, if you have an eBay account, make sure to check this option and click on continue. If you don't, click on create an eBay account here so you can create an account. So for me, I'll just go and do that and click on continue and try to log in into my eBay account. As you can see, for me, like as we said before, my account is suspended, so I will not be able to connect it right here to Printify. But for you, you should be able to connect it without any problems. And once it's connected, all you need to do simply go here to your products and start browsing products and start creating new product. Like example, I have here. So as example, I have here some products. I have here like a product. So basically, just go and create your. So I have here even some products. So just go and create your products, and those products created and published here in Printify will be basically just published on your eBay store right away if it's connected as we try to connect this right here. So this is going to be it for me today. Of course, if you choose Printify, if you choose Printiful, it's going to be basically the same. Go to stores, look for eBay, make sure to connect it. As you can see, eBay, they have it here. So you can click on choose platform and choose eBay as example, connect it, go through the same steps, create your products right here as example, and it should be published to your eBay and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.